Friends, today I will tell you about how to improve our immunity. Friend, if you see, there are many elements through which we can improve our immunity, but today I will share with you two important elements. First is intermittent fasting. Friends, there are many research articles, there are many review articles which shows that fasting really helps our body. But how? Because when you do the fasting, it removes lot of toxins, harmful bacteria, viruses from our body. Because what most people do, after eating so much, again at the gap of 4 hours, maybe 2 hours, they eat so much that whatever the food which is undigested, it is still there, and they again eat new food. So for that, their digestive system doesn't get the rest to remove the toxins. So definitely, if you want to improve your immunity, you have to at least do the intermittent fasting at least twice a week. How can we do that? For example, if you are taking your dinner in the night at suppose 9 o'clock, for the next day you have to take your breakfast or maybe your first food after 10 or maybe after 11 a.m. in the morning, because then and then your body will digest that present food and it will remove the toxins, various harmful bacteria or viruses, whatever they are in our body. So body gets the time to remove those toxins when you do not put the food in the body. Otherwise, what happens after eating for after 2 hours, every 2 hours or after 4 hours, what happens? Your body doesn't get the time to remove those toxins because it is busy in digesting the food which you are eating. So definitely you are giving the lot of load to your digestive system as well as your lymphatic system, which is removing the toxins from our body. So if you want to improve your immunity, the first thing you have to do the intermittent fasting. It means the gap of at least 14 to 15 hours during your night diet. For example, if you are eating in the night 9 o'clock in the night, so your next food should be in the morning at 11 or maybe after that. So you can calculate for the timing for you. If you are taking the dinner at 8 o'clock, then definitely you can shift your time. So like this, whatever the timing, you have to just keep the gap of 14 hours. That is intermittent fasting. You can do it twice a week. And second tip is about your gut bacteria. Friends, it is said that your immunity is all about your gut bacteria. If you have the good gut bacteria, they will keep your healthy gut system in balance and you will not have a harmful bacteria in your gut. And when the balance reduces, then you feel that maybe infection or some fever is there. So because of that, you do not feel good, your body is not able to resist the different bacteria, and because of that there are many imbalances happen in our body because there are less good bacteria in our gut. If you want to improve the gut bacteria, what can you do? You can have the curd, or you can have that buttermilk, or you can have the different supplements of probiotics which improves your gut bacteria, and in that you will improve your immunity. So friends, remember these tips and it will definitely help you to improve your immunity. Thank you.